Equation of the straight line by using graphs. Now, if we have given the graph, we need to figure out its equation, right? So in the previous two videos, we have learned the introduction about the straight line and how do we figure out the straight line when we have given the gradient and the point, and how do we figure the straight line when we have 2 points. Now, how do we figure out the straight line when we have given the graph only, right? So let's do some examples to understand the concept. Okay, so let me take the first example. This is a straight line. You can see this is your x-axis, it's your y-axis, and the red one is your straight line. And we all know that this straight line has an equation y is equals to mx plus c. But now the question is, what is the gradient and what is the y-intercept? M is the gradient and c is the y-intercept. Okay, so y-intercept is very easy to figure out. You can see y-intercept is -1. -1 is the point where the line cuts your y-axis. This vertical one is your y-axis. So y-intercept is -1. We got the value for c. So c is -1, which is the y-intercept. Okay, and to get the value of m, the gradient, we know that we can get the gradient if we have 2 points, right? So you can take any 2 points. So the first, this coordinate, you can also take this coordinate. So this point, this is a coordinate where x is equals to 0 and the y is -1. You can take any other point. This point you can also take when the x is 2 and the y is -9. 2 and -9. So using these 2 points, we can easily get the gradient. So m is equals to y2 minus y1 divides x2 minus x1, right? Now we have the 2 points. The first point is 0, -1, and the second point is 2 and -9. This point is x1, y1, this is x2 and y2. Keep that in mind, okay? Now let me solve the m value, which is y2 minus y1. So -9, -1 divides x2 minus x1. So this is -9 plus 1 divides 2 minus 0. So from -9 take away, add 1, it's -8 divides 2, and 2 times 4 is 8. So -4 is your m and -1 is the c, right? So just plug everything, you will get the straight line. So y is equals to m values -4x and plus c is -1. So this is the equation of the straight line of this, the red straight line. Okay, now let me do another example. Okay, now let's take a part B. Again, this is your x-axis, the horizontal one, the vertical one is the y-axis, and the red one is the straight line. We need to figure out the equation of a straight line having a form y is equals to mx plus c. M is the gradient, c is the y-intercept. So what is the y-intercept first? You can see the straight line cuts the y-axis at the point 1. So 1 is the y-intercept. So c is 1, which is the y-intercept. Okay, now to get the m value or the gradient, we use a formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. But for this, we need 2 points. Okay, now look at the 2 points on the graph. Okay, so you can take the first point as your y-intercept. The x is 0 and the y is 1. Let me take any other point. This is also the point 3 and 2. 3 and 2. This is the second point. You can take any other point as well, but this is the point which exactly cuts this part of the square, right? This point, or you can take this point as well, which is -3 and 0. So I'm taking these 2 points. So having 0, 1 is the first point and 3 and 2 is the second point. So to get the gradient, you need to take the 2 points from the graph. Okay, you can select any 2 points. This is up to you. Now the m value is y2 minus y1. So 2 minus 1 divides x2 minus x1, 3 minus 0. So from 2 take away 1 is 1, 3 take away 0 is just 3. So 1 by 3 is your m, right? Now the equation of a straight line is y is equals to m x plus c is 1. This is the equation of a straight line, this red straight line. right? So we did two examples. I hope this is clear now that how do we figure out the equation of a straight line by using graphs. So whenever you have a graph, the first step is to figure out your y-intercept. So once you have the y-intercept, that is your c value, and after that you have to take any other point on the graph. The one point you have to fix as the y-intercept and take any other point on the graph, and once you have the 2 points, with the help of these 2 points you have to use the formula of the gradient. You must know this formula for the gradient, right? If you know the formula for the gradient, plug the 2 points, you will get the gradient. You have gradient, you have c, just plug into the equation, you will get the equation of a straight line. I hope this is clear now. If you still have any queries in this topic, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Take care.